Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and today I'm super excited to talk to you about this awesome product from a company called Oraimo. This is the Oraimo HyperGan S120 charging station / power strip. Yep, that's a mouthful, and that's because this little guy has just so many capabilities and is so powerful. And I'm going to talk to you about all the features and why I think this is an excellent product. Now, this is capable of 120 watts of DC charging using these ports right here. You've got 3 Type-C ports and 1 USB-A port, and a total output of 120 watts. But that's not all. On each side here, you have these AC plugs, and they're capable of 1250 watts of AC power, just plugging in whatever you want to plug in. So that makes this thing extremely versatile. I mean, using these 4 ports, you can charge, pretty much anything you're going to need or want to charge or power as far as your normal electronic devices. Whether that's a MacBook. If you're just using this top one here, you're going to get 100 watts of output. And that is super powerful and really fast charging for a MacBook Pro, a laptop, a Chromebook, anything like that. 100 watts of output. That's great. If you're using the top 2 combined, then you get 60 watts from each. So you can be charging 2 MacBooks at the same time and getting 60 watts, which is enough power to charge those and power those, or a MacBook and an iPad, or a MacBook and a laptop, or 2 laptops, whatever. You can get 60 watts. Now you can be charging MacBook with this, you can be charging an iPad with this, but you could also be using this one to power something else. You can be using use these in whatever combination you want. The total output is going to be 120 watts. So depending on how you're using these, it splits up the power. Now what's really cool is inside the box, they've included this really nice silver foil specification sheet and instruction sheet that gives you all the information about this. And it lays out exactly what your output is going to be depending on how you're using this. So you don't have to guess. It's not guesswork. You don't have to guess what the output's going to be. You can use that guide to know exactly what your output is going to be depending on how you're using it, which is great. Speaking of in the box, you also get a 10-foot, 100-watt capable Type-C to Type-C cord. So you can use that 10 foot, so it gives you a really long length, and you can use that to power or charge that MacBook or any laptop or iPad, anything that has a Type-C input. So that's included as a bonus in the box, which is great. Now, in addition to the 120 watts you get with these and being able to power so many different devices using just these, which other charging stations will have maybe just these, but not this one. This one includes 2 AC power outputs, and those are capable of a total of 1250 watts max. So you can plug anything into this. You can plug a fan into this. You could plug a light into this. You could plug a charger to be charging your video camera into one of these plugs. Whatever you need to power, you can plug in there. So you can be doing so many different things with just this one device. Now what's great is this nice cord that comes with this is a 5-foot long cord. So you're going to be able to get this wherever you need, wherever your plug is, you'll be able to get it. And it has this cool sort of angled plug so that when you plug this in, it doesn't block the plug underneath it or above it, which is great. And you've got 5-foot length there, so you can get this to where you need it to be in order to best use it to power all your devices. And it's fairly small. I mean, look how it fits in the palm of my hand. It doesn't take up a lot of space. So this is great for home, great for the office, also great for travel. You could take this to your hotel, wherever the plug may be. You know how hotels are. The plugs aren't always convenient to the desk or to your nightstand, but you've got a 5-foot long cord to get this where you need it to be, and then you've got all the power you're going to need with that 120 watts of DC power with the 3 Type-C and USB-A for charging your devices, and you can be doing so much with this. And then you've also got these 2 plugs. You could be powering a MacBook, charging an iPad. You could also be powering a 3-in-1 wireless charging device for your iPhone or Android phone, Apple Watch, earbuds, something like that. So much you can do, especially because you have these 2 AC power. That just really takes this thing to the next level. And they really thought of everything in the design. Has a nice little round circle here with a little tiny green LED just to let you know when you plug it in, you know it's getting power because you see that green LED. It's just a nice little indicator, not overly bright, just a nice little indicator so that you know that it is working and giving you that power. It is at HyperGan technology, which means that it's able to give extreme power, the 120 watts, but stay nice and cool. And it's got great protection built into it, so you don't have to worry about overheating or overcharging or anything like that. Really high-end, super quality. I mean, just holding this in my hand, I can tell it's a solid, nice solid. It doesn't feel like a cheap plastic. It's nice, solid. You can tell that it is built well. And you've got the 3 Type-C, the USB-A, the 2 AC outlets on the side, the 5-foot cord. You also get that 10-foot Type-C to Type-C 100-watt cord in the box. And just a really excellent product from Oraimo. If you are looking for a charging station, if you're looking for anything like that to take with you or to use it in your office, around your desk or around your home, a place where you need to charge a lot of different devices or power a lot of different devices, then this product from Oraimo is definitely one I recommend. It is an excellent, excellent product, and I don't think you'll find anything better than this. That is going to be it for this review. If you like this review, please click that like button. If you know anyone who might be interested in the product, share the video with them. All those ways are down there. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, favorite my playlist so you can keep up with future product reviews. If you have any questions, just post them down below. I will do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can. That is going to be it until next time, so be safe and be happy.